Hello guys, so Gemma 2 billion parameter model is finally launched. So it is the smallest model. It can be run on device like on smartphone. So we will see Gemma 2 and we will run Gemma 2 today. So this is a blog by Google in which we will see Gemma 2 billion parameter model is launched in three variants. One is Gemma 2 billion parameter, and the other one is ShieldGemma. This is a safer classifier model. It will classify the uh, harsh words from the context, like we will see here, like hate speeches, harassment, or other. So, Gemma Scope. So this model it offers unparalleled insights into our model inner working. So through this Gemma Scope, we can see the inner working of the model. Like I will show you. Like suppose we open this one. So here you can see uh, this Gemma Scope. We can see the inner working of this model. Like it can highlight the animals or related terms and other marks as well. So to this model we can see the inner working of the model. Okay, let's back to the Gemma. So Gemma 2 billion parameter. Here you can see the uh, benchmark score. It's a chatbot arena. So here you can see the Gemma 2 billion parameter surpass Mistral at 7 billion instruct model, and also GPT 3.5, and also Llama 2 70 billion parameter, and also the Gemma 1.1 7 billion instruct model. So here you can see it surpass these models. So let's move to the implementation of this model. We will implement this model. Here is we can implement it in Hugging Face as well as on using Olama, or we can use it on Google. So we can use it in a Google AI Studio as well. Okay, so let's implement it in Olama. So first of all, you have to install this model from Olama. So we will install it. So just run it. So in the meanwhile, we will see the other uh, variants of the model, like this one. It's a ShieldGemma. So its name indicate that it's something shield. It will protect the generation from harsh words, like we can see here. I will show you, like the dangerous content, no dangerous content, even no harassment, no hate speeches, or not sexual information, like thing. Okay, so it will if we can see here, here. So here you can see this generative AI application, the ShieldGemma. When the user input something, so the ShieldGemma will filter all the hate speeches from it, and then we will give it to the AI model. And also in the output generation, so it will also monitor it for the hate speeches and other hard words. So we can come back to the Olama. Here it's still installing. We'll wait a while. So finally it is loaded. So let's test it out. So let's check it out. So it's response correct. So 5.7 is greater than 5.333. So here you can see it's give a explanation, nice explanation. Let's check it out in also in the with LangChain and uh, Llama index. Okay, so with LangChain, just we will see the, we will list the model. So we have this Gemma 2 billion parameter. model, we will run it out. So here we will run the Gemma 2 billion parameter model. So here again the same question we asked. So let's see. So here is the response. So here you can see its answer like the same. So 5.7 is greater than 5.333. So it also gives the explanation why it is better. So let's check it out with llama index as well. So here we will uh, llama. So here we will run it. So here we will ask a simple question. So here you can see 2 raised to power 10 is equal to 1024. So it's correct. So so this is a Gemma 2 billion parameter. It's a small model. We can even use it on our phone. So here you can see it's 1.6 GB model. So it can be used on a phone in 4-bit quantization. So it's work perfectly fine. Uh, you can check it on your device, on your laptop, or even on your phone as well. So thank you for this video. I'll see you on next video.